Hello, welcome to another creative visualization, and this one's called Through the Window, and it's to get you to realign with the colours or the chakras of your body in an easy way. So let's begin, and as usual try and find yourself a comfortable position, somewhere where you're not going to be disturbed, so that you can have this time just for yourself. You can be lying or you can be seated, whatever feels most comfortable for you. Just taking a deep breath and exhale. Just beginning to slowly relax the body, becoming aware of the body, becoming aware of how it's positioned, awareness of where your feet are, awareness of how your lower legs are feeling, awareness of your upper legs, awareness of your hips and your buttocks, awareness of your lower abdomen, awareness of your upper abdomen, awareness of your chest and your shoulders, awareness of your upper arms and your lower arms, awareness of where your hands are, awareness of your neck, awareness of where your head rests. Now I want you to re-scan these areas of your body, and if you feel any tension in these areas, I want you to inhale at the area of tension, and as you exhale, allow that area and that tension to soften. Inhaling, exhaling, allowing the body to relax deeper and deeper. Feel your breath as it enters and exits your nostrils. Begin alternate nostril breathing. In through the left nostril and out through the right. In through the right and out through the left. In through the left nostril, out through the right. In through the right nostril and out through the left. In and out. In and out. Take another deep breath in and out, relaxing, relaxing into the blank screen behind your eyes. Find yourself in a large house with many rooms. Open the first door. In the middle of the room, there is a comfortable red chair. You take a seat. Bring your attention to your root chakra, the area at the base of your spine. In front of you is a large window. Looking through the window, you can see a bright red sunrise. Then the curtains close. Bright red velvet curtains. You feel absorbed in the colour red. Leave this room. Open the second door in the house. In the middle of the room, there is an orange upholstered chair. You take a seat. Bring your attention to your sacral chakra, the area just below your navel or between your hips, whichever feels right for you. In front of you is a large window. Looking out, you can see Uluru in its entire orange splendour. Then the curtains close. Vibrant orange curtains. You feel immersed in the orange colour. Leave this room. Open the third door in the house. In the middle of the room, there is a yellow, ornate chair. You take a seat. Bring your attention to your solar plexus area, the area just above your navel, or between your navel and diaphragm. In front of you is a large window. Looking out this window, you can see the bright yellow sun. Then the curtains close. Intense yellow curtains. you feel like you're glowing in this yellow colour. Leave this room. Open the fourth door in the house. In the middle of the room, there is a large green chair. Take a seat. Bring your attention to your heart chakra, the area in the centre of your chest. In front of you is a large window. Looking out, you see rolling green hills. Then the curtains close. Calming green curtains. You feel like you're surrounded in the colour green. Leave this room. Open the fifth door in the house. In the middle of the room, there is an inviting blue chair. Take a seat. Bring your attention to your throat chakra, the area where you swallow or where your Adam's apple is. In front of you is a large window. You are looking out onto a calm blue sea. Then the curtains close, striking blue curtains. You feel submerged in the colour blue. Leave this room. Open the sixth door in the house. In the middle of the room, there's a plush violet chair. You take a seat. Bring your attention to your third eye area, between your brows or central forehead. In front of you is a large window. You look out to see an amazing violet-purple sunset. Then the curtains close, bold violet curtains. You feel like you're at one with the colour violet. Leave the room. Open the seventh door in the house. In the middle of the room there is a soft white chair. Take a seat. Bring your attention to your crown chakra, an area about 2 inches above the top of your head. In front of you is a large window. The scene outside the window is breathtaking. a brilliant white background with a rainbow in the foreground. Then the curtains close, serene white curtains. You feel at peace with the colour white. Leave the room. This is the last room. Open the door. In the middle of the room there is a black leather recliner chair. Take a seat. Relax. Take a deep breath and bring your attention to rest at the back of your eyes. In front of you is a large window. You look out and just see darkness. A dark night sky dotted with stars. Then the curtains close. Pitch black curtains. You are absorbed and at one with the darkness. You stretch out in the recliner chair. You become aware of the points where your body contacts the chair. You feel totally relaxed. Deep breath in and out. Become aware of the breath as it enters and exits your nostrils. Leave all images. Become aware of any external noises. Become aware of your surroundings. Become aware of your body. And when you are ready, you may open your eye. So thank you for joining me again. I hope you feel refreshed, relaxed, and ready to go on with your day. Remember to like, subscribe, and share to others so we can all enjoy meditating and creating together. Namaste.